Good day, everybody. My name is Damola. I'll be your instructor for the Canva design class. So, this is an overview of what you'll be learning all through the course of the lesson. So, to get started, I'll be taking you through what you're going to be learning in the class. So, we'll be learning how to navigate Canva's entire platform and editor. Okay, if you don't know what Canva is for, Canva is a design tool, is an online based design tool where you can design, do your graphics, your animations, and all of that. So in this lesson, we'll be learning how to navigate Canva's entire platform, to master all of Canva's design features and to create beautiful graphics, and also create professional and eye-catching graphics, and also we'll be taking on projects in Canva that will help you build your business, in minutes. So you don't, if like even if you don't have the luxury to hire a designer, you can do it yourself. So this course is a DIY course, is a do it yourself course. So you don't need a prior knowledge of designing, or you don't need to know how to draw, and everything is well thought out. We will be sent videos all through the course of the lecture to help us follow along with the design. So if you have a business, a startup, this class is for you. Don't miss it. If you have a business online, you want to take your business online, or you already have one and you want to improve your visual content and engagement in order to drive in sales for your business, you need to get this course. You need to be a part of this. No matter what business you're into cake, pastries, hair product and beauty, fashion design, logistics, or whatever business that could surface online, this course is important. So I'll be taking us a brief, just a little thing we'll be doing. So I'll be talking about design ideation. We'll be learning about design ideation, how to come up with your own design, before you start a design, what what you need to do. Design ideation is a stage where you brainstorm on what you need to do on your design. So we'll be talking a lot more on that during the course of the lecture. And also we'll be talking about understanding color in design. Color is very, very important because it has a psychological effect, to whatever you're trying to communicate, because every design should communicate. So color is very, very important. That's a psychological effect, so it depends on how much you are aware or know of your color, so also text rules, that's your text placement. You must have seen some designs that their text placement is bad, so these things have um an effect on our designs. Also, we'll be talking about social media sizes and dimensions. Yeah, you have a business on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, so you want to check for the different sizes to design for in these different platforms. So we'll talking a lot more about that. And also you might want to know the difference between a PNG and a JPEG, so because we'll be using images in the course of the lecture, so you get to know more about that. A PNG is an image with no background, while a JPEG is simply an image with a background. So I'll be taking you through some of my portfolio. We'll be designing graphics such as this, such as lovely graphics as this. So we'll be doing designs like this in Canva, to help improve our business, your visual engagement, and to drive customers and sales to your business. you know like they say, branding is the first ambassador of your brand. Good design is the best ambassador. So also we'll be learning how to get images online from websites, free stock images from freepik.com, on splash.com, raw pixel, png3.com, flat icons, and so on. So also, even if paraventure after the class, you might want to get the book. So I have a book here. It's a book by me, being a Canva designer. Is a roadmap for non-designers to becoming a designer. So you don't need a prior knowledge of design or whatsoever. So it's all from the scratch, how you can conceptualize your designs and all of that. So, and for this lesson, we are not going to be designing alone, like designing still images. We're going to be working with doing little animations too as well, just like the one on my screen. Still motion animations, these simple things like this, and things like this too. So thank you for joining me. I'll see you in the class. Bye and have a good day.